Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video after a pretty long time later. It's probably about 3 to 4 months later I'm gonna make video again in front of you guys, and I'm really apologize for that. I couldn't upload any video for a long time and I'm a bit of shy or something like that, whatever you say, but it will be okay. Gradually it will take time. Let's have a look. I'm just walking around the area where I literally live, and the left side of the road is my house. Look at this behind of this building, probably about, and this is a beautiful home, and majority of the people come here to take photo or something like that. It's a kind of different sort of followers. The gate is completely surrounded by followers, and that's why people like to take selfie or taking photo here, and I can see this kind of scenery very often, and I again apologize for that. I couldn't make video for a long time, and the thing is that I was completely busy with my study and my other activities, my work, my job, and having some problem in my personal life. And I don't know you guys can hear me or not, and I have a wide angle view right now in my phone, and I have from now on my voice is gonna be different. It's gonna be a bit of clearer than before because I am making another microphone right now. I have to go again this way because behind of me it's a main road. It's a bit of difficult to making video because there is a noise. Let me cross the road. Oh my god, I have to be careful about it. Look at this. The traffic jam is a common scenario of this city, and as I all the time say about it, Dhaka, which is one of the most crowded and densely populated city in the world, the most chaotic city in the world, in not only Bangladesh, especially as like most of the South Asian countries like that. Like if I talk about Asia, South Asia, like Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, India, those countries, it's like a densely populated and crowded, chaotic city. And Bangladesh is one of them, and Dhaka is one of the most populated from them. And I live in this craziest city, but that's really amazing. I have a really great experience, and people have a really good hospitality of this city. I don't know how should I keep my camera right now. Can you see or not? Because this is the first time I'm making video with a kind of wide angle lens. Have a look. This is a grocery shop where I used to buy all the grocery product from here. There is a hotel. Sometime I eat something from there, and I'm gonna guys show you a hotel where I literally all the time eat my breakfast. Not all the time, whenever I get time, like when I don't have any things to eat in the morning time. So I'm gonna show you guys and try some food of Bangladesh. If you guys are watching my video from another country, so that might be a different experience for you. And if you are gonna come to our country, oh look at this. I don't know how much you guys can see me. It's a material which is one of the modern invention of Bangladesh, and that which is make our life easier than before. I'm gonna go to this hotel, and I just eat my breakfast and dinner, whatever you say, very often from here. And I'm gonna test different sort of food from here. It will take a couple of moments. Right now I'm gonna try parota, which is one of the kind of traditional or whatever you say, and all the people used to take it as their breakfast, and I'm not different from them. I'm gonna check it out right now, and I'm gonna show you. I know the most of the people watching my video from their own country, and I have planned to making video all the time. I mean in future I might will have some viewers from another country, probably, if I can continue the making video. So let's have a look. Let's try the food right now. I have to wait a couple of moments probably, and look at this. Okay, so let's check out this. This is lentil, and it's made by probably tomato or something like that. and I have to mix it by this way and have to eat it. Just do it. There is also potato. That's really amazing for me. I don't know what about you guys. Okay, everyone know about in my surrounding about this food. I'm not gonna show it anymore. It's gonna be kind of exaggerate or something like that. Sometimes people might make fun of me or something like that. I'm gonna just stop the video and finish everything, and then gonna start exploring something more. So well, I'm almost done. I'm gonna try something different right now. Let's have a look. There's probably hi. Okay, banana. Could be. I'm gonna try probably tea, which is a drink. You know about it. All the people know about it. Maybe which is popular for the whole country. Absolutely, I did a mistake, and when I just come out from the hotel, I just forget to open my microphone, and maybe the video was recording, but maybe the sound was completely crowded, because without microphone the video is, you can imagine guys. So I'm gonna try some tea, and it's the main road area, which is a bit complicated to making content or something like that. Look at this, a smiley policeman. Sometimes I'm really afraid about it, like when I just walking around on the street and making video. It might be happened in my city, someone can snap my camera from my hand, and I will be careful about it. But if you guys are watching my video from another country, no worries about that. Bangladesh is pretty much safe from the traveler. There is so many travelers come to this country to have a really good experience about the populated place, especially the people who live in the foreign country in Europe or this kind of less population country. And those countries are like they are not used to see the so much people in their surrounded, and when they go to outside, so looking for a tester. Let me see, is my microphone working or not? I make a few moments ago I was just recording video, and then I noticed that my microphone is not working. That is really irritating, annoying for me. It's a food section probably. It's a market which is a bit of familiar for the people, for the local people here, and this is called Mirpur city. And I'm just gonna walking around the market, and after that try some different food of the local area. And this is not the traditional area of Bangladesh, and I hope I will show you the traditional area, the old Dhaka, which is one of the famous. Most of the people explore that place, and I'm gonna do that future probably. It's a probably dark food area. Let's have a look. It's a market. Let's go. Oh, it's the white road. I have to choose another way. I'm gonna buy something right now, but I'm a bit worried about it, how I can do that. The most crowded place. Look at this fish. I'm kind of shy to making video in this kind of population, and there's a lot of people. And I'm gonna buy something, and after buying that, when I will just come out from the market, then I'm gonna open my camera again. Just have a look once again. Alright, eventually I'm gonna end the video right now. I hope you guys, this is gonna be the short video. It's just to make sure the people, I'm gonna make video more and more. I'm not gonna go on forever, and so I'm gonna end the video. I hope we'll guys meet again in another video.